Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left and pick this button so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little and we have the picture quality option. When we tap on it, we can change the quality from high to standard and also the low. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is high. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.